All right, now that we have our local subscription button over here, let's actually get it on the internet. And the way to do it, we'll be using this program here, the command prompt. I don't know if you've ever known about this. This program, like for most of us, it has zero uses, like zero. But now I'm going to show you its full capacity. But before then, you need to download Node.js. Node.js, you can just like click over here and write Node.js. Click on the first link, and actually, don't worry, I'll get the link in the description to make you like how easier to make it faster in our program and so make things fast. Then you just scroll down just a little bit, then you can choose between the latest. I think LTS is latest, where is it? I don't even know. Okay, you check on that, or the current version, the latest features. I think it's also the latest features recommended for most users. Anyone go over, just stick with this one. If you're Windows, this one, or Mac OS or source code. And now I am 64-bit, but if you don't know whether 32-bit 64-bit, here's how you go on. First, you go to your File Explorer. Yeah. Sorry if I'm saying I don't know what I'm saying. Then you go to Control Panel. Yep. Once you go to Control Panel, you open a new Windows. Then you go to System and Security. Click on System and Security. Then right down here, the third option, Systems. You don't click on Systems. Come down here and go to View Amount of RAM processor. Right click. No, you left click actually. That's not cool. So you open all the settings over here, and there should be the different ways of getting your key. This is how I go here. Now like a ton of different routes, but it still leads to over here. So this about. So if you can get to this point over here, then good and fine for you. Congratulations. So I'll add about your device name, your RAM and everything. And this is the system type 64-bit. So I have a 64-bit system type, which means I can close this and this, and then you just come and click downloads. So you can download either the installer, the binary, and all that stuff. I'll download this. I already have this downloaded and stuff, so I won't be stressing on that. And it's just an easy process from there. Just follow the instructions given there, and then you go about it. Next is we need to put the subscription button. I've already removed it. We need to put what I'm saying. We need to put this subscription button into a website. Wait. Oh, it's also actually done. We did it in the last video. So what we need to do now is to get it into this website. It's a web page rather. This is my web page right over here, and this is a little content I put inside it. It's live. You can even check it out. Link in the description. You can check out the fundamentals. You can just link this, and also go over this link to go to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. You know, a lot of content coming up, and I've been late. Seriously, not been uploading so much. And we're coming back to Amazon. Okay, don't worry. We're coming back to Amazon. That's our main goal. But for now, let's get this stuff. So I want to make it as quick as possible. So first of all, we need to log in. If you have never logged in, so you need to first of all Firebase login. Right, that, and then you can wait a little bit. Alright, so that takes a solid 2 seconds thanks to the power of video editing. But now we're logged in. I'm not sure you get this stuff because I'm already logged in. But if you aren't logged in, then you show some serious and then you show that you're logged in. Then what we have next is I suggest you go to if you have like no what's up this man if you have like no projects in Firebase, again we'll be using Firebase. Hope you have checked the previous tutorials before getting here. If not, go to the previous tutorials and come back. I'll be here, don't worry, I'll be waiting for you. So I have a ton of projects, but if you have no project, then you can go ahead and skip the video to right up to where I put like Firebase in it. I think I'll like link that in the description, also put the timestamp. But if you have a lot of projects like me, then what you do is you need to get I forgot the name. And then you need to get your project list to get your ID or the project ID. But that's in the main video where I show how to host your website for free. So to get for a personal one, for a specific project rather. Oh no, this is a fundamental website. Actually, I want to post it on website. So I go to website. So there's a project ID. I copy this. I'll be using this now. Copy. So now, right now, Firebase is still using the first project that was. So now we have to change the project. So put Firebase use, and then I'm going to paste this. Okay. Oh yeah, Firebase use project ID. So Firebase is like going to say, okay, you called me. What do you want to do? You want to use. What do you want to use? This project ID. So now the project is using this. Okay. Oh, and it's an update. So if you just download it for the first time, generally they will ask you to. This is the code that you need to use. Again, all the details on how to install the Node.js and everything, link in the description. I made a video on that, how to post video, how to host websites or web pages for free. Definitely free, 100%. So next, we don't want to stall around here. Next, we go to Firebase init. We're now going to initialize our website or web page. Okay, so this will take just 5 seconds. Again, without the power of video editing this time. Are you ready to proceed? Not ready to proceed because our web page, this guy right here, I don't think we have it in the proper positioning. This is so slow. Where's location? Let me see it location. This location is not here. But anyways, what I mean is that we need to go to users, and the reason why I'm going to use this, let me just show you right now. Right now, you're about to initiate Firebase project on this. So this means that it's going to go and take the web page from this directory, and this directory is this one right here. So whatever, we can't change the directory. I won't go into that. If you want to check that there, you know, I don't know, just comment down below if you want to know how to change directory. I think I showed how to, yeah, I did show how to change directory in another video. The link in the description. A ton of things can from that. Yeah, we'll do real quick. So in this directory this here, we need now to create a folder like one of these. So a folder like one of these, which will now hold our Amazon website. So we just create a folder. Amazon website. Yep, PW Amazon website. Okay, go back here now. I want that our web page. The best will just be to copy. I think I could just hold it away. No, why copy back? Just copy. Okay. Go back to Amazon website. Paste. And now it's here pasted. Okay, you need to change this. You must change it into index because index is the first web page which will be taken. If you have different web pages, the index will be the first one. At least I believe so. If I'm wrong, then well, sorry. So yeah, now we're ready to proceed. So click Y. Wait, what's this? I said click Y and enter. Sorry. Okay, after reading all of this, you just go to this third one over here because basically it's actually what you want to do with Firebase. So I want to host configure files for Firebase hosting. Press space and then enter. Hosting setup, because you can see we're using this project right here, which is this one in which we are logged in. Again, you need to be in this website, in this project, because with this project now we can use this hosting link, this hosting domain. These are free domains, by the way. This is how you want it. So depending on the name of your project, the name of your project, the name of the project, the name of your site, and it's a free domain. So yeah, why not? Because I'll add custom domains, we won't get into that. So next we want the name of the project directory. So this is when I will get in PW. Great. We need to name. Great. So capital P, capital W. Press enter. Do you want to configure? No. Do you want that? No, we don't want that. Okay, we want the 404 HTML. Now 404 HTML is basically an error page whenever the page doesn't go well for some reason. All websites have that. Okay, so file index is here which exists. You want to override? Nope, because it's it. So Firebase initialization component. So basically, as you can see, it has created 404 index. It hasn't changed it because this is the initial web page we had. And finally, what we need is my R is sorry. Good. Firebase deploy. Firebase deploy can now deploy our files up to the web. So just gonna wait like 2 seconds. Okay, so it's uploading. One uploaded 2 of the files into from PW and completed. So now you can run check this process. So you can like copy highlight all of this, highlight all of these and like go to crowd in this one, right? This one, let's see. Okay, so that's it. But this should work too. Of this our journey of this playlist. Now that we have the subscribe button, we can finally get it integrated into Amazon. So in our next video we'll actually now populate all the gadgets. That's right. After all the lessons we're finally getting into Appgyver. So make sure you finish the video. I don't know, I think you should watch it again and check out the other video how to host website for free. And I'll see you in the next video right away. And check it out. Just come over here.